Yeah, that's true. Actually, he ordinarily he's a little shy.
I want to hear you say happy.
To be shy around us anyway.
He is not shy around you, which is great. Are you happy? Not on command. Never on command.
Huh?
I'm happy when I'm happy, and that's it.
Huh?
Ah! Is that great or what? Yeah.
Huh? What's Daddy doing to you? Huh?
Here comes Papa.
What's Daddy doing to you?
What do you think of that? What do you think of that?
Now you want Daddy?
Hey, you don't want to venture out on your own?
Uh-oh.
Darn it. Darn it. Darn it. Darn it. Darn it. Darn it.
Ah! Oh, look at your feet! Look at your feet, Trey!
Hey.
I got you. Huh? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Happy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Happy?
Happy? Huh? What do you think?
Look at that face. Look at that face.
Doesn't sound like you're unhappy.
Yeah.
Kick